Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Wistia account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you find your Wistia video HTML embed code? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need the embed code for your Wistia video anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you probably repurpose videos and put them in different websites or blogs. And to do that, you need the embed code. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Wistia dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instruction there as well. But I've already logged into my Wistia account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to get the embed code to one of your videos, here on the left side, you're going to click on Content Library. Once you click there, you're going to see all the different content folders you have. So choose the folder that is housing the video. So for example, this one, and just click on the folder. Once you do that, you're going to see all the different videos you have in that folder. So once you've found the video that you need the HTML embed code for, so like this one, just hover over it, and off to the right, you're going to see these three dots. Click on there. Once you click there, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and to get the HTML embed code, click here on Embed. Okay, once you do that, you're going to choose what you're going to be using this for. So is it going to be inline? Do you want a popover? Are you going to be using this in an email campaign? So generally, if you're going to be embedding your Wistia video into a website, you're going to use inline. And then down here at the bottom, you want to choose, is the video player going to be responsive, or do you need a fixed size? For me, I'm going to go ahead and choose responsive. And in order to see your HTML embed code to your Wistia video, click on Show Embed Code. Okay, so there is the embed code, and you can simply just click on Copy Code. Now it's copied to your clipboard, so you can go ahead and give that to your web developer or paste it into the other software that's calling for this. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to find your Wistia video HTML embed code, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.